Hello, scholars. Welcome back to another math lesson with Mrs. Bowen. Happy Friday. Okay, so in today's math lesson, we will be covering lesson 28 in Eureka Math. And today our objective will be that I can use linking cubes to find the parts for the whole 10 in number bonds. I can use my linking cubes to find the parts for the whole 10 with number bonds. So again, Ms. Vaughn will be sharing her screen with you throughout this lesson so you can see what I'm doing. Forgive Ms. Vaughn as she is still working out technical difficulties when she's teaching and using technology. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Great. And let's go to the ladybug.
Insects or insecta are hexapod invertebrates in the largest group within the arthropod phylum.
My Alexa is talking and I'm not talking to her. Okay. Lesson number 28, our I can statement. I can use linking cubes to find the parts for my whole 10 when I'm doing number bonds. I can use linking cubes to find the part for the whole 10 using number bonds. Okay, so the first example Ms. Vaughn wants to show you is that she has a whole of 10. Remember, whole is everything that I have in the picture. Today I have 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles, 10 is my whole. Okay. Part of my circles I shaded orange. What part did I shade orange? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are orange, that's my first part. The other part I scribbled in blue lines. What part has blue lines scribbled in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, my second part is 5. Well, if we add both our parts together, part 1, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and part 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have a whole of 10. Let's check our work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So we know that we can find our whole of 10 using our parts. Let's go ahead and look at some more examples. I want to show you linking cubes for a whole of 10 to find our parts. So if I have 1, 2, 3 linking cubes, and I want a whole of 10, that means that I need to have 10 cubes in all. Well, I'm going to leave 3 of my cubes as red, and I'm going to add more black cubes until I get to 10. So 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to start on the black, which is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what part of my cubes are red? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that in on my number bond. What part of my cubes are black? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to fill that in on my number bond. I put 3 cubes here and 7 cubes here, that will show both my parts. If both of my parts together make 10, then I know I did it right, because remember, I can fill in my parts when my whole is 10. That would be my whole. So let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know I did that correctly because my whole is 10. So 3 and 7 make 10. My number sentence would be 10 equals, because 10 is my whole, 3, which is my first part, plus 7, which is my second part. Let's do another one. Follow along with me. Let's use our number bond board again. And remember, 10 is our whole, because I can find the part when my whole is 10. So, using my linking cubes, I'm going to put 4 in my first part. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many should I put in my next part if I'm trying to get to 10, which is my whole? Well, I have 4 there already. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need to get to 10. So I'm going to add more. I have 4 here. I want to get to 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many red do I have? Because that would be my second part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do 4 and 6 make 10, which is our whole? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it does. That's how you know if you did it right. So let's write our number sentence or equation for our problem. 10 equals 4 plus 6. All right, boys and girls. Let's go back to our I can statement and see how many you can do on your own now. Remember, today you will be practicing how you can fill in the parts of your number bond when your whole is 10.